We're live.
So Kristen wanted to...
No one's watching yet.
People are going to get on right now.
Well, let's see.
Oh my god.
How many fans you have.
We're going to make coconut, shrimp, coconut, shrimp coconut. That's what we're doing.
Coconut shrimp.
What?
Coconut shrimp.
So we're going to make coconut shrimp, and what I'm doing is I am going to, we bought these at Costco, because we love Costco, and we're going to peel them. Whoops, not lose them. Peel them, and they already come deveined. I'm really a pain in the ass about this. I like to devein the inside too. Some people say you don't have to. To me, it's gross because it has a caca on there. So I like to take off that shit that's in the middle. Like I said, some people are like, oh no, you don't have to do that. They already came deveined. Well, that's pretty disgusting. So we're going to devein the inside and pull them out and wash it. And we're going to make steaks too with this. So, Kristen, let me finish this. Why don't you go turn on the barbecue?
Do I take them with me?
Yeah, you can take them with you.
Okay, is it live though? Because...
Yes, it's live.
Oh, okay. We're making rice again.
And then you can go turn on the barbecue.
I can't flip this, huh?
Yeah, you could.
Okay. Where?
The bottom. Just, it's okay. Just walk with it, Kristen.
All right. Okay, Brenda Drossi fans. We're gonna turn on the barbecue right now, because, oh God. It's a little dirty, so don't judge us, please. But we're gonna clean it, obviously, before. Takes a second. So sorry. All right, and then we just close this to get warm. We're gonna go back inside. Perfect time.
Yeah. Oh, that thing is for 400. Let me put that bread in too.
We got this bread from Costco.
It's like pull apart.
Pull apart bread.
Not that we need bread, but what the hell, right? It's like we're stuck.
It's the apocalypse, so.
Put that in there. And then let me salt this and pepper this.
Yes. I don't need anything bland.
So we use the pink salt from Costco. And we're just gonna season them a little bit. And pepper.
Mm-hmm.
So these are all deveined on both sides, like I said. It's kind of disgusting when people don't do that, I think. I'm very picky about eating people's food. It has to be like a clean kitchen.
She has to know the person.
Yes, I do. I don't know.
So bring food to the Drossi house.
Bring food? No, do not bring food. Okay. You're going to take over so I can do this?
I suppose.
All right.
I don't think it's working though.
It is working. Keep going. So we have flour, eggs, what is it? Panko, Japanese, and coconut flakes. So we mixed in the panko and the coconut flakes together here. So we're gonna do a little mixture, and Kristen's gonna start doing this.
Oh God. Disaster.
And then you put them in there. Make sure you do them good, Kristen. Okay, like wet them all.
I do. And then am I gonna put them in this little bowl after?
You can put them in the
I've
little
been
bowl.
wanting to do coconut shrimps, people, for the longest time. And my mom was like, oh yeah, they sell coconut shrimps at Costco. And I was like, okay, Mom, let's go to Costco. And we get there and she shows me, she's like, these are coconut shrimps. I was like, those are panko shrimps.
Panko shrimp. Sorry, I didn't realize that it was. So we bought some just for, I don't know, the cabin or something.
So we can share.
All right.
If you
And then let's see if this is hot. So we have our oil here that we're going to do. And I always like to put a little bit in there just to see. So no, it's not hot enough yet, Kristen.
Yeah.
Probably needs to warm up.
What are you people eating tonight?
So post what you guys are making tonight. What are you all making tonight? We're making steak, coconut shrimp, and Costa Rican rice. Because we eat rice how many times a week?
We eat rice 6 days a week, and the 7th day is rice aroni.
Just kidding. But we eat a lot of rice.
Yeah, we do eat a lot of rice.
So.
But we look like we eat a lot of rice, so whatever.
That's silly. Oh my
Okay.
god.
And it's just me and my mom tonight, by the way, people. If you're wondering where everybody's at, no one's wondering. But
Yep, Joe's at the cabin. And Matthew's Papito's is working. So it's just us.
We went everywhere today. No, we didn't. We stayed home.
We didn't go everywhere. We went to Costco.
Yeah, we went to Costco. We went to Walmart.
That's about it.
That's it.
That was an experience.
That was an
People
experience.
were not 6 feet apart.
No. They were like on top of me. Some guy was laughing at me.
So we have that heating, and then we have this little basket thing that will do that. Yummy, Natalie. That sounds yummy. She had pasta bolognese sauce and pizza for the kids. Yummy. Oh, Kristen loves your
love
kids.
them. They're so cute.
She loves them.
After the corona's over, we'll hang out.
All right, let me try one and see if it's hot enough. I don't know if it's hot enough.
Please don't be shaky with the camera, because we got a lot of comments on the shakiness of my momager filming over here.
You know what? If people don't like it, and it wasn't a lot of people. It was actually just Dawn.
Oh,
complaining.
Dawn, come on.
Dawn was complaining about my shakiness.
She said you were giving her.
I know, that was just Dawn. That was just Dawn. So we're gonna cook them in there.
You put them in a pot. I don't know why.
What do you mean? What do you know?
I
Why?
don't know. Why wouldn't you put it in?
Because this is deep frying it, Kristen, and we don't have a deep fryer.
We
So
have
that-
an air fryer. I wonder if it'll.
I don't think they'll be. I don't know. That might be gross. I don't know. Let me get a plate. Kristen made banana bread from scratch yesterday
For Dad.
for Dad. Good job, Kristen.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, that's working pretty good.
Is it?
I like it. Oh, Danina's watching. Priscilla's watching.
Hi, please see me,
And then we're just going to let them fry up.
What are you watching?
This is, I'm not watching anything. It's a music video.
Rated R.
Christian, you're late to the party. We are making coconut shrimp and steak tonight. Christian. The one that has that house in San Gabriel.
Oh.
So,
Are you doing this on your business page?
no, it's on my personal page. I guess I could have done it on my business page.
I feel like it'd be better on this page.
Okay, so those are cooking very nicely. The pain in the ass, he says. Hey, you said it. I didn't say it. You
Mom
said.
says that about you all the time.
You're such a liar.
Oh, that one.
Oh, that one. The one that calls me 100 times a day. Actually, he texts me 100 times a day.
Mom, are you going to put those steaks on? Or?
Well, let me see if it's
We
warm.
get the steaks from Costco, people. They
So we
have
have
a lot of meat
steaks.
over there.
And let me go check the barbecue real quick. Forgive my...
There's no dog out there, so.
Yeah, Chloe went to the cabin. So, it's actually really pretty out today. A lot of people walking. So... Usually Joe cleans the grill for me, but of course I gotta do it today. Are you bringing me toilet paper? Not today. Okay. Let me... Oh, this plant was my sister-in-law Maria's. I love it. Okay. You burning the shrimps over there, or are you checking them?
I'm not even checking it.
Oh, nice one. Okay, so let's check these.
I focused on this movie that we're watching.
It's a movie?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought it was
Music. It kind of looks like Kentucky, but I don't know. Oh yeah, it's Kentucky. It's a very long music band.
I suppose.
Sing for them, Mom.
I'm not singing for them, Kristen.
Why?
Because I don't sing. You can sing. You know all the lyrics.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about.
We're almost done with these little fuckers.
Cool. We have our bread in here, the pull-apart bread.
Yeah. When Dad's not around, we eat.
That's not
We
true.
eat more. I think I'm gonna need some more stuff, Mom.
What do you need?
Like the breadcrumbs and like...
So we're going to put the breadcrumbs. Hold on. So the breadcrumbs, and then you put some coconut and you mix it.
Yeah.
Yummy. These are looking good.
Are they?
Yep. I don't want to tell you they're done,
What
but...
have the Watchers been doing with their lives?
What?
What have they been doing with their
Kristen wants to know what you guys have been doing
with your
cooped
young
up
kids?
with your young kids.
Yeah.
If you have kids, what are some activities that you've been doing?
Yeah, what are you guys doing? I saw Natalie went to the beach.
Yep, Natalie went to the beach.
Oh, that's cool.
Priscilla, I do not sing. Where did you get that from? She says you do sing. I've heard you. Maybe back in our younger days. Maybe back in the day when we used to go to In Cahoots to the country bars.
Did you tell them that we're having a baby?
Yeah. Yeah, right.
My mom's adopting a baby, everyone!
No, I'm not adopting a baby. I might adopt Austin next door from Jamie. Priscilla says she's been doing homework with her kids.
Homework? They don't want to do homework?
She says they don't want to do homework, Priscilla. Oh my God, Joni, seriously? I don't think so. You're the singer. Joni actually is a really good singer. Joni, Noah's mom. So this one looks like it's ready.
Oh, okay. I'll try it for you.
So I'm going to put it here to degrease.
Oh, so Mom, I guess you have a hidden talent in singing.
Yeah, right. Priscilla's full of... I'm not going to say it. She's full of it.
We're live, people.
We're live, exactly.
Sorry, Mom. Drinks that's good. They smell good, though. We're trying to recreate Outback over here, people.
Yeah.
You really are.
They smell good. All right, I'm going to put these steaks. These steaks are like huge.
It's okay.
But I'm going to save some for Matt. So let me put these out in the... Let me put these out in the grill. Kristen, watch those things for me, please.
All right, Mom.
Joni, seriously, I do not sing. You're crazy. No, I don't. You're the singer. I do not sing. Are you crazy? I wish I did. Okay, so let's see here. We're going to put these steaks on here. Ooh, these are huge steaks. Ribeye. Turn down the heat. Hey, Priscilla, I texted you earlier. I'm not sure if you got my text. There was a group text for you and your mom, FYI. Now that I have your attention here. I'm not sure if you got that. So... Okay, let's go back inside. I think we're almost done. Hello? Nobody said for you eat them.
I have to make sure they're not poisonous.
Let me see, Kristen.
I don't really know.
You don't even have your marmalade. What's it? The orange.
Okay, we bought this at Walmart. Yes, we go to Walmart. I don't know if it's good though.
Is there more shrimp there to put in there?
Yeah.
Wow, these came out good. Look at how good these look.
They look better. So we got this marmalade sauce.
I think that's what she used for those. I don't know. Kristen says she.
Put it in a cup for someone to
There's a little cup up there. The little ones that I have. Yep. Yep.
Not sponsored. I'm just sweet. Yeah, those do look good, Mom.
Mm-hmm. These are really good. Oh my God, Lisa. Seriously, I do not sing. Now everybody's about the singing. Priscilla, who started that? About singing. I do not sing. Who sings in our family, Lisa?
This is so good.
'Cause I never heard my dad sing. Is it? I don't know if it's too hard.
I don't know about so good, actually.
You're a pain.
It's okay. Outback still has my heart.
I thought I had some. We used to have that on a piece of toast growing up. Mama used to have that, actually.
Really?
Yep. Wow, this is good. Cause let me have another napkin because they're a little greasy, gross.
Yeah, they are greasy.
Can I have a napkin, like a big napkin, please?
Yeah, we do wipe the grease off too, Pete's. Like to.
Yeah, you
Get it out.
gotta wipe the grease.
We clean as we go.
We do clean as we go. Mom's a big person about cleaning as we go. Clean that, and then let me have that back so I can put the shrimp in there.
Are you guys still going out to eat? Are you guys doing takeout food? Like, what do you guys?
If you guys are looking for good pizza, I'm gonna give a shout out to Matthew's Restaurant for Talos in Upland. Off Mountain by Pineapple what, Priscilla? Did I get the wrong one? Is it a pineapple maybe? Is it it's not orange
No,
maybe.
Yeah, it is orange. It's orange marmalade.
I know. Priscilla's saying it's pineapple.
The one at Outback, Priscilla? I need some confirmation over here.
Kristen kept saying it was the orange one. Maybe it is.
Bought...
But you know what? It was so limited that we could,
Oh, yeah.
you know, it doesn't really matter because there was hardly like no jellies and no anything.
We have this for later too. Because we can't bake. And Matt's not here, so.
Oh, pineapple on the toast. I thought it was that marmalade. Orange marmalade, because I don't like pineapple. Are you sure, cousin? Why are we killing you?
My God, the bread.
Wow. Look at it. Those came out good.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of myself.
All right, peeps, you guys need to make it
All right.
and show us how it goes.
Yep, that's it for us.
That's it, guys. Well,
Till next time.
I feel like such a waste.
Why didn't you save that? What about if we wanted to make more?
Are you still live?
Yes. All right. Well, I guess that's it for the shrimp. We're not making more because Kristen just threw everything away. That's really a freaking waste.
Oh,
I cannot believe you threw away that.
Let's do this on live right
I'm
now.
gonna do this on live. Why would you throw away the panko and the freaking pineapple, Kristen? Seriously. Ugh.
Not pineapple.
I mean, whatever. You know, the coconut. Damn it.
I don't know, but
You're just like wasteful.
Oh my God, don't tell them that.
You are wasteful.
Well,
It's awful. I can't stand that.
All right.
Stop eating it. Because that's ridiculous. Now, if we wanted to make more, we can't even make more.
make
You,
more.
yeah, but you just wasted that whole thing, Kristen.
Okay, we're closing out the video.
Because we're arguing over here. All right, guys. See you guys later.